how you make me feel. Oh, you give me chills, baby.
Hey y'all, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for y'all. Hey, so this is going to be a different type of video. I actually filmed the intro for this video and iPhone changed some stuff, so that video is gone now. So this video is all about Madam Glam gel polish. They sent me 5 beautiful colors and I just wanted to share them with you guys. So here they are. All right, you guys, the first one up is Matty. She is a Salon blue. Really cute. This is Jenna. I cannot wait to use this one. So pretty. This beautiful lime green color. Up next, we have Birthday Boy. This is kind of like a turquoise blue. Really pretty. Can't wait to use this one either. Up next, we have No Buns, No Glory. I really like that name. I do not know why. But this is a sun-kissed orange. That's what it says. I haven't really tried it out to see what it's going to look like on my nails, but I'm excited for it. And the girl of the hour is Birthday Cake. She is the one I decided to get on my nails today. So pretty. I can't wait for you guys to see it.